Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's called Cooking My Way with Sister Faye. I'm Sister Faye, and I hope y'all having a wonderful day. Okay, let's get started. Today, I will be making some candied yams. Candied yams. I have 3 potatoes, yams boiled already and sliced up. So what I'm getting ready to do now is drain some of this water off. I have this cup here because I want to save some of the water. Maybe like 3/4 of a cup. And I'm draining the remaining water from the pot. Oh, and also I boiled these potatoes for like 17 minutes. Now I'm getting a smaller pot. And I'm gonna put my sugar in here. This is 1 cup of white sugar and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar combined. Okay, now I have 1 stick of butter at the room temperature. I have like 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. I'm going to put 1 1/3 tablespoon of nutmeg, ground nutmeg. And it's the 1/3 coming up. I also have a tablespoon of vanilla extract. 1 1/3 of vanilla extract. That's like 1/3. I'm going to put a tablespoon of cinnamon sugar. Now, I want like a cup and 1/3 of the saved water from the pot. I'm going to let this boil for like 25 minutes. Okay, the syrup is ready to come off the stove now. Alright. So what I'm going to do now is transfer this yam into this pan here. I'm just gonna sprinkle some ground cinnamon over each and every potato. Maybe make a little more nutmeg too. Over a little more nutmeg also. Not much, but okay. So now I'm gonna place these yams in the oven for like 35 minutes. The oven is on 350. Okay. And these yams been in the oven now for like 35, 40 minutes. Looking good, looking good. Looking good. Yes, a little too hot for me to taste right now, but you best bet these yams is on point. There you have it. Good old southern yams. Good old southern yams. It's too hot for me to taste, but I'm gonna put me some in a plate. Well, salsa. There you have it. Good old southern yams. I can't wait. It's too hot right now, but I know it's good. And I want to thank y'all for tuning into my channel today. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Very appreciated. And I want each and every one of y'all to have a good day. I'm out.